Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of Logitech headset not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab, select sound, make sure that the output is selected at speakers and the input is selected at the microphone. Now I'll tell you why I say this. Because the Logitech headset is a combined one, the one that we're talking about here. It is a combined headphone and a combined microphone. So if the headset is not selected at the Logitech headset option, it is selected at the speaker, the sound will come from the speaker. But if it is selected at the Logitech headset, then the sound will come from the headset. So you can choose accordingly. I still prefer to keep it at the speaker, but you can choose accordingly. Now if this doesn't work, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click the first one, update. Right click the second one and update, and so on. Update of those. And then the next one is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then run the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.